Jai Mata Di. Good morning and welcome in to the Mystic Lotus Awesome Money Tele Summit. Our super awesome speaker today is a multi-award winning astrologer with over 2 decades of experience. She has helped more than 10,000 people with her simple, easy, doable, practical solutions. Known to simplify and demystify astrology for everybody in such a manner that it empowers them to understand this very celestial science in a rational, logical, scientific manner. She is loved by all who get to experience her work. Gentle, warm, reassuring. These are the kind of adjectives that come to mind when meeting or interacting with her. What are your money concerns? Personal, business, professional, property related, whatever it is. Money, wealth, and prosperity, the Astro way is the way to go. Why? Let's hear it from our expert herself. Ladies and gentlemen, time for you to please put your hands together for and join me in giving a warm Mystic Lotus welcome to the simply amazing Upma Srivastav. Hi Upma ji, welcome in.
Hi Nilu, thank you for such a beautiful introduction. I'm touched. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
My pleasure, Upma ji. It's very easy to talk about you because this is exactly who you are and what you do. It's from the heart, from all of us as an introduction for you. Yes, absolutely. And Upaji, I know you wanted to start us off with something.
Yes,
Go ahead.
because today is a very pious and a very warm day. Because as in Bengal it is a Dashera, as well as it is a day when we are having some beautiful auspicious astrological combinations today. So that's why, and astrology is completely a divine science given by Lord Shiva to Ma Parvati, and it is written by Lord Ganesha. So, first we will do a small prayer for Ganesha and then for the goddess of prosperity, and then we will start our session. Okay, so please join me and invoke the energies of Lord Ganesha. ॐ गं गणपते नमः ॐ गं गणपते नमः ॐ गं गणपते नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु ऐश्वर्यरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै Namastasye Namo Namah. The meaning of first, I invoke the blessings of Lord Ganesha because Lord Ganesha is the only divine who can bless us to give every kind of knowledge. Then the goddess Lakshmi, who is going to prosper us in whatever areas of life we want, whatever wish we have. Okay. So, Nilu, I want to start with a question because
Yes.
prosperity is a one thing which is different for everyone.
Right.
Some might be having some issue in getting property. Some might be thinking about job. Some might thinking about business. So let's first ask everyone if they wish to plant a plant, what is the basic essential thing first they will require? Just ask everyone to write on Telegram and then
Yes.
you can read for me.
Right. And while they are giving their answers in Upmaji, I did have a question for you, but I'll wait till
Yeah.
comes in. Okay. People, the question for you is if you were to plant a plant, what is the first thing that you think is required for that process. We're waiting for your answers on the group, and they have started coming in. Bharti says seed. Rupali says fertile soil. Dolly says soil, seed, water. Nilima says soil and seeds. Rupali says seed, water. Rita says seed, soil, water. Nishi says soil, seed, sunshine. Jaya says thought. Richard says the right seed, which is the idea, the right soil, which is the environment. And Vinita ji says soil, seed, water. So we can see almost everybody has mentioned. Vishali saying soil, good quality seeds, and water, sunshine. Kailash says healthy soil, seed, water. Bhumika says that her daughter has answered this. So what her daughter has given is a person to sow the seed in the soil. That's actually a lovely answer.
Yes.
Make sure you let your daughter know that. Vaishali says nurturing. Naina says soil, seed, sunshine, water. So everybody said, Upmaji, soil, seed, sunshine, water, and Bhumika's daughter said person to sow it, and Richard has given a different take on it with saying the idea and environment.
Yes. So basically, three things we are getting in common: seed, soil, and water. So
Right.
if you have everything but you do not have soil, where you will plant it? So the basic main is soil. So just like today, I want to sow the seeds of prosperity in everyone's life. So for that, I want everyone's soil should be fertile, because if it is fertile, then any kind of plant you can sow, whatever your wish is. So, for that purpose, like in astrology, for anything which whatever we desire, the first thing comes as a desire is a moon, because moon is our subconscious mind, and it gives us a thought what we want or what we desire. And if in birth chart moon is good, then we will have a proper way how to go any point. Like, for example, I tell you, um, one of my client from US, he wished to sell a property, and at the same time with that amount, he want to purchase the property at other place. He want to sell the motel. So basically, he wants to sell it from one place to and buy at new place. So this is the one thought, and he was struggling to do this thing from past 6 to 8 years. I just channelized his thought, gave him some remedies, and it worked in only 8 months, as
Amazing.
beautifully as he wished.
Awesome.
Okay, so today
Right.
I want everyone to experience this. So today in this call, please ask everyone to write down their date, time, and place. Then whatever we will possible for us, we will take one by one, and I will answer.
Fantastic. So, people, uh, we've just deep dived into the conversation just straight off the bat. This is something that you need to understand or experience. And the best way to do that is for Rukmaji to be able to have a look at your date of birth, time of birth, place of birth. Please start putting it into the group, and they've already started pouring in. Very quickly, Upmaji, before we start taking people on, I just wanted to ask you, as you said, and so nicely and so sweetly, that today you want to, you want to sow the seeds of prosperity for everyone on the call, listening into the replay for all. Upmaji, if before we just go into that, if I may ask you, why do we need to do this? This thing with money, is it coming from somewhere? Do we have? Why are these concerns here? Do they have some kind of background that even we're not aware of?
Yes, yes, because just like I said, ki moon gives us thought.
Right.
So every planet in the horoscope indicates about something, like Jupiter is prosperity and Saturn is resistance, obstructions. So if Saturn is giving aspect or placed at some place which is causing obstacles, then you won't be able to go in that particular area.
Right.
Secondly, like if you wish to get a property, purchase a property, like there might be many persons who might be thinking of purchasing a property. They are having money, but still won't be able to get the right choice of property, or some legal issues in that. So again, Mars and Saturn, they will not allow to take the happiness through property. If such kind of situation is appearing in job, like you have very good skills, but you are not able to get the job as per your skills, then at particular the house which rules job, there might be affliction of Saturn or some other planets which is causing obstacles. So,
Right.
like if soil, there are many types of stones, then you have to just remove and make it proper fertile. So, what I am doing, I'm just clearing all these issues so
Right.
that you can get what you desire. So today's my only aim is to give everyone whatever they wish, because we had worshipped 9 days. We had taken the blessings of Ma Siddhi Datri. Now it's the time to take the happiness through all these pujas.
Fantastic. It's time to reap the benefits of this entire amazing energy of these 9 days, 9 nights. And Upmaji is right here to remove the stones that
Yes.
could be a minor obstacle, major obstacle, however it might be. She's right here to do that. Upmaji, the people have started, it's pouring in, okay, the names and date of births and everything. Very quick question, Upmaji, I'm yet to look in. We are asking people to put in only their own, right? Not to ask
Yes.
somebody else.
That will be much
For their
better.
child or their husband. I'm asking Umaji because I've still not looked, but I know there must be at least a couple of them.
Yes.
I'm clearing it before I even look at the group right now.
We can take. We can take.
We can take. Okay, superb. All right, and this again is very random, people. So my eyes have fallen first on. Hi, Abhijit. This is Abhijit Deshpande. Uh,
Huh?
Upmaji, this is 24th of February, 1977,
24th February 1977.
7:15 a.m.
Okay.
Aurangabad, Maharashtra.
Ahmedabad, Maharashtra.
And here what is happening, Upmaji? You're basically based on this, letting people know what their money situation is right now, an understanding of
Yes.
it, right? Okay, that's
Yes.
all that we are referring to over here. Fantastic. All right.
Nilu, 15 a.m. 15 a.m. will be the afternoon.
7:15 a.m. early morning.
7:15. 7:15. Okay. Okay. Got it. So, in this chart, what I can say is the luck is not favoring, and there might be some issues related to career also. So we need to do the clearing of planet Rahu and planet Saturn also, because Saturn is not allowing to get the benefits what his desire. So when we will I will say the like Rahu. What is Rahu? Rahu is illusions. So he might be think like, now this is the perfect time I will get this job. And at the same time, wherever he might be working, he will just get the some issues related to seniors or something related with the team members. So this should be removed. Huh? And After some time, he will be able to know from where all these things can be, which remedies he should do. Hmm? You are muted.
DJ was barking, so I just muted
Yes.
myself quickly. Abhijit, I hope you heard that, and if you resonate, if this resonates true for you, please feel free to write in a yes on the group. And as Upma ji said, right now we're going to take a few more on, and very shortly, because all of you must be wondering, no, okay, this is the concern. Now, what am I supposed to do about? Okay, Rao has to be pacified. How? You'll get to know very soon. Hang in there. Okay, this is Rizwana. Rizwana
Yes.
Godawala.
Huh.
This Rizwana, you haven't given us time. Let me come back there. Okay, this is Kailash Sigamani. This is Jan 23rd, 1974.
Huh.
Time is 19 hours 11 minutes. So that's 7:11 p.m.
Yes.
She was born in Johannesburg, South Africa.
Okay.
And everybody, if you haven't put your time in, just repost with your time, please. Just make it a fresh post.
Johannesburg, Africa.
Yes, Johannesburg, Africa, South Africa.
South Africa. Okay. So here what I am getting, that particular planet, something related to business or some kind of ancestral issues is going on. Ancestral issues means like parents or grandparents, what they might be thinking about money, the same thing because of subconscious mind. Kailash is also taken all those things, and because of that reason he is not able to get what desires. So we need to clear all those issues.
Oh, interesting.
And
So that means, Upanji, actually, I think this is what I was wanting to ask in the beginning. Is there something that, that we're carrying with us that we're not even aware of? So
yes,
ancestral patterns, as you've just
yes, which we call
Kailash.
Pitradoshna. You might
Yes,
have heard, Indians have heard,
yes, yes, yes.
international audience may not have aware of this, but
Right.
we know. So
Okay.
there are 6 types of Pitradosh, and this is the one of that.
Interesting. Kailash, I hope you heard that. There seems to be a carry forward of ancestral patterns, and hang in there. And I'm so sorry for this. Rupali, she was the first one to put this in, so I'm getting her in right here. Rupali Munga is the 5th of February, 1970, 7:17 p.m., 717, 7:17 p.m., Mumbai. And Upmaji, if at any point of time you feel that you need to speak to anybody, just let me know. We'll get them on.
Okay. We can bring Rupali.
Yeah? Okay. Just give
Yes.
me a moment. Rupali, sending you request right now.
Because there are many things going in her life.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Hey, hi.
Yes. Hi. Thank you so much.
Hi, Rupali.
Hi. Thank you so much, Upmaji. Thank you, Nilu.
Thank you. Yes, Rupali. Are you going through lots of trouble?
Yes.
You are going through Sade Sati and as well as Shani Mahadasha, Shani Antardasha, and Saturn is not good in your birth chart. So you need to do the remedies of Saturn as well as the remedies of ancestral issues. Because I will say from your small childhood, from that time you are going through some issues which are not cleared.
Right.
Uh-huh. So money is a very big issue right now for you.
Yes.
In some time, you will come to know about this, how you can clear it. Do you
Okay.
want to ask any other thing?
What would you suggest I can do at this moment?
Saturn and the remedies of ancestors.
Okay.
Uh-huh. In a gift, in today's gift, you will come to know about all these.
Okay.
This is a
Thank you.
small hint.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Yes.
Rupali. And just a reminder for everybody. I know this must be feeling a little bit here. Okay, so I'm getting to know what's going on, but what's happening after that? You know what? We'll get to that very, very, very quickly. Just taking on Vinita here right now. Vinita Chadha. Upaji is 15th of November 1960, and Bangalore. Vinita ji, that's my city of birth also. Time is 5:05 in the evening. And look at these lovely angel numbers coming up. Amazing. So Vinita Chadha, 15th November 1960, Bangalore, 5:05 p.m.
Yeah. In Vinitaji's chart, there is a very good one yog which is known as Dharma Karma Adhipati Raj Yog. But still, finance is good, but still, particular thing which we want, there is some lack in that also. Because that Dharma Karma Adhipati Raj Yog, it is a Raj Yog basically in which career and your spiritual energies get mixed. So sometimes we think like we want to do these kind of things, and sometimes because of the spiritual responsibilities, one wish to do voluntary services. So she's confused in both of these things. So need to do the remedies to exactly understand what is first choice and what is the second choice. And there might be also one thing which is related to property, because property or something related to family happiness might be also a issue in her case.
Vinita ji, do you resonate with that? Let us know. And solutions are coming up very soon. Upaji taking on one more person, right?
Yes.
Which is Richard Valadares. Date of birth is 6th November 1967. Time is 4:48 a.m. Mumbai. I'll repeat that. 6th November 1967, 4:48 a.m. Mumbai. Richard.
Yes.
Ji.
Niluji, can we bring him here?
Yes, absolutely. Give me a moment. Richard, request has been sent. Sorry, I think I muted you back. I've sent the request again.
Yes, unmuted myself.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi, Richard.
Yeah, good morning. Hi.
Good morning. So, according to your chart, something related to legal issues or property is going on which is bothering you?
No, currently no property or legal either.
Okay, very nice. So, right now you are going through Rahu Mahadasha. So, something related to your desire or some investments, which is going to be very beneficial in coming next year, 2021.
Okay.
So, that will be very good for you.
Okay. Do we ask questions or we are just listening to what you have said so far?
You can ask.
Okay, so it's basically I'm planning to start something in Goa next month, and I'm going to invest some money into that. I just want to make sure that I succeed, because this is something that I'm taking as a franchise from somebody else in Mumbai and setting up a branch in Goa next month.
Yes, that's what I said. Ki you are going to get some benefits from the investments.
Wow, thank you very much, and thank you, Neelu, for selecting my name.
Most welcome. We're gonna try and pick. We're gonna try and get as many as we can get on. Thank you, Richard, and I hope that resonate. Not hope. Sorry, I just heard it did resonate. So fantastic. And Upmaji, just taking a moment away from people's time, date of birth, place of birth. Vikas is here. Vikas has done work with Upmaji. He's so, let's hear in from him about his own experience with Upmaji and the work that she does. Vikas, hi, welcome in.
थैंक यू वेरी मच नीलू जी. नमस्कार उपमा जी और सभी लोग जो यहाँ ज्वाइन किए उन सबको भी मेरा नमस्कार. हैप्पी दशहरा एज वेल. सो मेरी जर्नी उपमा जी के साथ ऑलमोस्ट 10 साल पुरानी है. जब मैं दुबई में था, I moved to Dubai in 2004 and I think I came in touch with Upma ji in 2009 or 10, somewhere like that. So initially, because I was there in Dubai for a long time, it was difficult for me to decide whether I continue to stay, मतलब मैं दुबई में रहूं या दुबई से निकलूं. तो उपमा जी ने मुझे बताया कि मेरे पास 3 जॉब ऑफर आई थी उस टाइम में, लगभग 2013 में. उसके पहले ही मैंने उनकी ऑनलाइन वेबसाइट के थ्रू कंसल्टेशंस किए थे, क्योंकि मेरे को एस्ट्रोलॉजी में काफी इंटरेस्ट रहा है पहले से. और मैंने काफी लोगों से मतलब कंसल्टेशंस ली हैं, बट जो स्टाइल उपमा जी का है उसके कारण मुझे काफी फायदे हुए. और उन्होंने बताया कि आप फार ईस्ट मूव होइए. तो मैं ब्रुनई दारुसलाम मूव किया विद फैमिली जब मेरे बच्चे लाइक 3 इयर्स एंड 6 इयर्स के थे. तो उन्होंने बोला ये मूव आपके लिए काफी अच्छा रहेगा. उन्होंने रेमेडीज दी, जिसके कारण मैंने 2013 में शिफ्ट किया ब्रुनई. ब्रुनई एक बहुत छोटी जगह है सिंगापुर के नीचे. और मेरी जॉब शेल में रही, काफी अच्छी जॉब रही. ऑलमोस्ट 6 साल तक मैंने वहां जॉब किया. बट ऑफ कोर्स जैसे स्टार्स मूव होते हैं तो आपके लाइफ में चैलेंजेस आते हैं. यू नीड टू मूव अवे फ्रॉम द फैमिली, यू हैव फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज, सब प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं. और मैं उनके साथ रेगुलर कंसल्टेशन में रहा हूं और उन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया है. तो उन्होंने ये भी बताया कि आप नेक्स्ट 2 ईयर के लिए आपका फैमिली से थोड़ा दूर जाना रहेगा, आप वाइफ के साथ नहीं रह पाएंगे. तो करंटली मैं 2019 में से कजाकिस्तान में इनिशियली मैं 1 महीना जॉब करता था, 1 महीना ब्रुनई वापस जाता था. बट जब से कोविड आया तब से मैं लॉकडाउन में हो गया कजाकिस्तान में. लेकिन इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट मैडम ने बताया कि इस टाइम से इस टाइम के बीच में आपका काम हो जाएगा. वो हुआ. बहुत बार मेरी मदर का हेल्थ इश्यूज आया, मैंने उपमा जी से डिस्कस किया, उन्होंने मुझे रेमेडीज दी. उन्होंने मुझे टाइम बाउंड बताया कि इस तारीख तक उनका हेल्थ इंप्रूव हो जाएगा, आप ऐसा से करिए. और एवरी ओकेजन में मेरी मदर का हेल्थ इंप्रूव हो गया. रिसेंटली मेरी मदर को गॉल ब्लैडर का इशू आया. मैंने उनको पूछा 21 सितंबर को, जब ये इशू मालूम नहीं था कि उनको क्या प्रॉब्लम है. स्टमक में पेन था बट डोंट नो द रीजन. इज इट मतलब देयर कैन बी मल्टीपल रीजन, कुछ खाने से हुआ या बैक्टीरियल इशू या वायरल. बट उन्होंने बोला नहीं, 30 सितंबर तक इनकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी, आप बस ये और ये रेमेडी करिए. और बाय 30 सितंबर उनको हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हुए, ऑपरेशन हुआ और विद इन 2 days शी वाज बैक फिट एंड फाइन and she is completely normal. So even in my case I am struggling with visa because I need to travel back to Brunei for visa. So ये सब मैं short term बता रहा हूँ, but over the last 10 years there have been multiple consultations with her on my own, on my kids, on my wife, general finances, like even in financial term I started something new this year and I checked with her whether this will be beneficial for me to go ahead, and she said yes, this is the right time and you should do it. And then I completely put myself based on all the number of years of confidence I have with her. So the thing with Upma ji is she is very, very calm and she listens to your issues. Even when I am talking to her, I will go left, right and center and she will be, yes, okay, the synopsis of this is your problem. Okay, and then this is what you need to do. And I'm truly grateful to Upma ji that she has been guiding me for over the years, and hopefully I will definitely continue my association with her in the future so that I am in the right direction. So I encourage all of you as well because of my own personal experience. I am an art of living teacher, qualified teacher. I take happiness courses. I am a yoga teacher. Recently, I did yoga 200 hours. I am now doing yoga 300 hours. So as such, I'm a very kind of spiritual guy who believes a lot in astrology and a lot of the planet movements. So you have listened from an authentic guy who is putting forward best words for Upmaji, who has done wonderful job and a transformation in life. To don't have any doubts and just march on with her and get the guidance you need to change your life.
Fantastic. Very nicely put, because there were bits where you had gone into Hindi. So I'm just very quickly translating for our international audience. Ladies and gentlemen, what Vikas has pretty much said in a summarization is that his association with Upmaji dates back almost 10 years, and every move of his from the time he's met her has been guided has come as a guidance from Upmaji. Even he was in Dubai, even moving further east, he's in Brunei right now. Even the period that he's been away from his family was already told to him. He was prepared for it. He's been given solutions. And he was just talking about himself. He, his mom, his wife, children, he's consulted for everybody. His mom's health issues have been mentioned by Upmaji. Solutions have been given as well. And very recently in September, she had a gallbladder thing that they didn't even know about. Consulted with Upmaji, got to know, operation done, all sorted. So in short, I hope I covered everything, Vikas.
Yes, you did. Yeah.
Fantastic. Upmaji, any words for Vikas?
Thank you, Vikasji. Thank you. Lots of gratitude. Blessings.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Upmaji.
Thank you for coming on, Vikas, and sharing with us all of that. I think, and I agree with everything that you said. Really, my association with Upmaji is like, it's new right now. But everything that she said, she's calm, she's centered, she's gentle. You can go all over the place with your story with her, but she'll be right focused on exactly what you need to know and need to do. So thank you for that. Thank you for coming on.
Thank you. No problem.
Bye.
Yes. So
Superb. And really, he actually just, I think he covered all the bases, Upmaji, with everything: health, family, children, mother, move, finances, therefore money, job, everything has been very nicely. And in fact, Upmaji, I just wanted to say, earlier in the call when you were doing the chant, it's the last bit of the dark that I could hear, and it's like complete silence right now. But in that silence, what do you hear very loudly right now? What does everyone hear very loudly right now? Can you hear the bell?
yes.
Upmaji, you can hear the bell? What do you need to do, people? You need to go, get up, open the door. And there it is. The door is opening, and we have come to the super awesome Goddess Shakti surprise flash.
Yes.
Heal that money energy now, yo. So take us through, Upmaji.
Yes, this is the first thing. Like I told about some issues. So, in whatever issues we are having in our life, we always need some kind of remedies to change the negative in a positive form. So, the first option is which is for a group remedies. So, in this group remedy, 11 days of prosperity remedies you will get whatever your chart is, but also along with your chart there will be different types of 11 remedies, each remedy one day, and that will be given on WhatsApp group. One remedy will be sent daily by WhatsApp broadcast message in the morning between 6 to 6:30 a.m. IST. And wherever, like in very this thing will go to everywhere in different countries. So wherever, whichever time zone you are, you can do according to that. So you will have enough time to do that. It will begin from 2nd November 2020. And in this, I said ki I will take your birth chart, give you your own remedies, and that is the bonus. 2 personalized remedies along with the 11 remedies.
Fantastic. And this is
Total, so
Yes.
total there will be 14 remedies. Sorry, 13 remedies.
13 remedies. 11. So this entire thing is a group setup where
Yes.
everybody is going to be getting daily remedies that can be done by all, and simultaneously you have a bonus of 2 personalized remedies based on your birth chart as well. This entire thing, this kind of work with you, Upma ji, normally costs, it's coming up right now,
Normally cost it's rupees 12,000, which is USD dollar 188.
which is USD dollar 188. Just holding this for everybody very quickly, because hang on, there's one more thing. Right now, Upma ji has told us about how this can happen. 11 days of prosperity remedies on WhatsApp. It's a group thing. Plus, you're getting 2 personalized remedies for yourself. There is another thing available for you right now, which is coming right up. Upma ji, it's amazing that you've done this. There you go. Personalized remedies. Upma ji, take us.
Yes. The second option is personalized remedies. So in earlier, I may be giving the common one. Here it is particularly only personalized. So daily you will get your own personalized prosperity remedies, the Astro way, and it is for 21 days.
21.
Not for 11 days, but for 21 days. So you will be with me for 21 days, and starting will be with the 40 minutes personal session. So in that personal session, I will understand what is your requirement. Then according to that, I will just customize remedies, which kind of remedies you are convenient to do. Then in that, one remedy will be sent daily by WhatsApp for 21 days, and there will be 15 minutes follow-up session after 10 days. So the very first day we will do the 40-minute session. Next day I will start sending one remedy, and after the completion of 10 days, on the 11th day we will have a 15-minute small feedback session, like wherever, whatever things you are able to do, what are your new challenges. So I will again do the customization, and again I will send for 11 days one remedies each day, and WhatsApp support will be throughout.
Fantastic.
21 days.
Fantastic. That's
These
absolutely
21
amazing.
remedies, yes, these 21 remedies only and only personal based on your chart.
Right. And in fact, Upma ji, this is so amazing. After 10 days, you are actually doing a 15-minute follow-up. Okay, 10 days, you've done everything. Where are you at? What's going on? Will you, and then based on that, seeing their chart again, if needed, you will amend the remedies for the next
Yes.
days according. Oh, lovely. This is like, you have an on-call doctor. Call and
Yes.
that's it. All you have to do is do the simple, very doable things that Upma ji will be sending only to you, because this is going to be your personalized daily remedies.
Remedies.
Absolutely fantastic. And now Upma ji, sorry, I'm so sorry. What does something like this normally cost, Upma ji, with you? We're coming to that right now. If you were to take this kind of workup, if Upma ji were to give you 21 days, 40-minute personal session, 15-minute follow-up, WhatsApp support for the entire 21 days, this entire thing would normally cost, Upma ji?
Rupees 31,000, which is USD dollar 486.
Right. So you've seen what, be it the group remedies or the personalized remedies, work like this, what it normally costs.
Yes.
Navratri might be getting over, but the Tele Summit is still on, so you know what's happening next. These two fabulous offers for you are coming for you at only with the group remedies. Upanji, aap bata de.
Yes. So the group option 1 group remedies for 11 days rupees 1111
Only
only.
90% savings for you. 11 days of prosperity remedies, the Astro Way on WhatsApp, normally costing 12,000 rupees or $188, is yours for only 1,111 rupees or $18. Wait for this. The personalized remedies. The personalized remedies are yours for the taking for only, Upaji.
Yes. For here right now it is for only rupees 4,333, which is normally 31,000.
Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Again, a whopping 86% savings. Personalized remedies, daily personal prosperity remedies.
Yes,
the Astro
for
Way.
21 days.
21 days, 40-minute personal session, 15-minute follow-up session after 10 days. Would normally cost you $31,000 or $486. Yours till the end of this call for only 4,333 or, and I have a pop-up, so I'm not able to see the US dollar amount properly, $68. Thank you, team.
Yes.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing. And now, dear people, do you understand why we were saying, hang in there, you're going to get to know everything. All right, it's right here. You want to work with a group, you work with a group. Both the offers are in front of you. The payment links are on Zoom chat and the Telegram group. Get on, take it up.
And Neelu,
Do
both
21 days. Sorry, Upanji, you were saying.
yes, both these options are amazing because in
Yes.
both these options, in group remedies, I will cover the ancestor remedy, I will cover the all planets remedy because it is 11 days. So all the 9 planets remedy, ancestor remedy, and 2 personalized remedy I will cover. And in the personalized remedy option 2, because I will be in a touch on a daily basis, so I will know what kind of remedies you are able to do. Like someone will like to do chanting, so I will give that person mantra chanting. But if you wish to wear stone, so I will tell you stone. But if you wish to wear colors, so I will give you the color therapy, the gem therapy, the sun therapy. There is the 5 element therapy, meditation, in the personalized remedies, because I will be in a touch on daily basis. So I will keep changing according to your taste. So it is like your own personal choice remedies for 21 days to change your things.
Awesome. Awesome. In fact, Upaji, you just mentioned if you want to wear stones, I'll tell you what stones to wear. Not just will she, in case you're not meant to wear stones, if they're not
Yes.
going to tell you also don't wear.
Yes, normally I don't suggest stones.
Right.
Because one planet rules 2 zodiac signs. So
Right.
that's why it should be very minutely monitored. Like in this period you can wear and in this period you should not wear. So if you
Right.
wish, then I will suggest. Otherwise, I won't suggest.
Right. Right. Absolutely. There it is, people. Group remedies, 11 days of prosperity remedies. The Astro Way on WhatsApp is 1,111 rupees or $18. Personalized option, 21 days, 40-minute session, 15-minute follow-up as well, 4,333 or USD 68. Remember, either or is available only till the end of this call. Okay? Go for it. Don't wait. And Upmaji, I know people have been waiting. There it is.
Yes.
Have it, and we are returning very shortly to the people who have put in their information on the group. Thank you so much for this, Upmaji. It is, as always, absolutely unbelievable. The kind of giving that you do for work like this. And as I was mentioning to Vikas, I have also had the pleasure of interacting with you and working with you. I have to say this, all right? Whether you believe in it or not, whether you're a skeptic or not, once in your life, you have to speak to her. Let her tell you what's coming up. Take a call on whether you want to decide, not decide. Mark my words, when you speak to her and she explains everything to you and she tells you, oh, just do this and do this and do this, you're going to be thinking, why was I fighting this? Is this so simple? Okay, this is all that I need to do. Awesome. That is the power of her work. Take it on, people. You're not going to regret it. That is for sure. You will only gain, gain, gain. All right. So thank you. Amazing, amazing offers. Okay, and I'm coming back here. We have Naina, who is put in Upmaji, 17th July 1967, 10:50 a.m. Mumbai.
17th July.
1967,
Huh.
10:50 a.m. Mumbai.
10:50 a.m. Mumbai. Okay. So in her chart, there is a combination of Jupiter and Sun. Jupiter and Sun, this combination indicates like whatever she wishes in her life, all those things get materialized in a very delayed. Means like whatever thing she wants this year, she will get after 2 years. And something related to family happiness, some issues might be going on there. Some mental stress kind of things are going with her. So basically, health needs to be taken care at the first priority. And secondly, something related to family happiness.
Right.
And I will say one more thing, because her chart indicates Saturn is not at a good place. So if she is sleeping in the west direction, avoid it, because Saturn will increase disease, because Saturn is a significator or significant planet for disease. So whenever we are having any kind of health issues, do not sit in the west direction or sleep in the west direction.
I was looking at the directions. Very reflexively.
Yeah.
Anna, I hope that resonates somewhere for you. Let us know on the group. And anything else for Nana, for Panji? This is it?
Yes, this is it.
Okay. All right. So we have Jaya with 1st of September 1973.
1st September 1983.
9:20 p.m. Mumbai. Everybody's born in Mumbai. All the names, everyone Mumbai. Somebody come from other places, please. Okay, found one. Next year up. Sorry. Jaya, 1st of September 1973, 9:20 p.m. Mumbai.
Yes. Nilu, can we bring her?
Yes,
can
of
we
course.
unmute her?
Yes, yes. Give me a moment.
Yes.
Jaya R, I'm guessing, sent the request. Hi, Jaya.
Hi, Neelu.
Hi.
Hi, Upmaji.
Hi, Jaya. Jaya, are you going through some kind of, do you desire some kind of changes in career?
Yes, Upmaji, I am.
Okay. Right now, your chart is indicating like you need to keep waiting for few more months, and then you will be able to get a very good job, like a particular job which you desire. But there is something also much more beneficial for you. You can also think about working for yourself, because planets are indicating multiple source of income.
Okay. Thank you so much, Upma ji. आपने मेरे मन की बात छीन ली, because I am into healing thanks to Mystic Lotus. I have enrolled in quite a few sessions, and I really thank them for allowing me to be a part of it. That is one line, but yes, I
Yes.
am looking for a job change. So can it be done parallelly, ma'am?
Yes, it would be. It would be
Thank
done
you so
parallelly, and 21 is going to be a very good beneficial year for you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Thanks, Jaya.
Thank you, Neelu.
And now that you mentioned the Tissy, now I know. Now I know. You give it Jaya. This is. Why didn't you come on video?
I am in my nightie.
Okay, understood. All right. All the best, Jaya, and I hope you're able to take something up with Upma ji. It's
Yes.
it's great. She's fabulous to work with.
Sure.
All right.
Whenever we are going through the Mahadasha, Mahadasha means major period, or Antardasha means sub period. Whenever we are going through Mahadasha or Antardasha of Mercury, it indicates some kind of changes, as well as multiple source of earnings, which is indicating in Jaya's chart. So anyone who is going through, they can think about it. But sometimes, like, there are 12 zodiac signs, so sometimes it may not happen, but mostly Mercury gives multiple source of earnings. So you can go in a healing kind of things, you can go in a communication, networking. So Mercury blesses us about all those things.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jaya. Upaji, we have Lata here. I think I can see her here on video.
Yes.
Let's also bring her on, giving you her details. Her
Yeah.
birth is 5th July 1953. It was in Bombay. It was a Sunday. Please correct me if I'm wrong, Lata. 8:20 p.m. Mumbai. Yes, she's nodding. Yes.
Okay.
So 5th July 1953, Sunday. It was a Sunday, and 8:20 p.m. Mumbai. And
Yes.
she's right here also.
Yes. Hi, Lataji.
I've sent you a request.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank. Yeah. Lataji, are you thinking about your some kind of health issues?
No, except my leg.
Yes, pain in lower legs.
Yeah, left leg.
Yes. It started from a little bit, pain started from February 2020, January last week or February.
No, a couple of years back actually.
Okay.
It's better now, but I get scared. Like I'm more scaredy all the time, like because that pain was too much. Now it's better.
Okay. You can do the remedies of Saturn, because Saturn indicates our lower part. Lower part of the body is indicated by Saturn. So doing the some remedies of Saturn will help you. Like you can light a sesame oil lamp in the west direction of the home. That will help you. And avoid sitting for more hours in the west direction or sleeping in the west direction. Because that indicates issues.
Can I ask you, like my head is towards east when I sleep and feet are towards west. So that is the right, by sleeping in the west, you mean head should be in the west? Or
No. I mean, like if we are standing in the center of the home, looking at our entrance door, Then in the compass, we need to check where is the west direction appearing. So particularly the room which is in the west direction, that should be avoided. And in whatever room, in any other direction room where you are sleeping, if you are keeping your head in the east, that is okay. But do not keep your head in the west direction. Scientifically, we should sleep our head keeping in the south direction. That is the first choice of preference direction to sleep. The second direction to keep head while we are sleeping is the east, and third is west. North should be avoided in each and every case.
Right.
So these are the directions for sleeping.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, Lata.
Thank you.
Upma ji, I have to add here very quickly for everybody, all right? And I'm saying this from personal experience. Upma ji just mentioned, right? Don't sleep with your head towards the west, especially if you have health concerns for here right now. Otherwise, also it could come up, all right? Here's the thing. If it's absolutely unavoidable, you're sleeping with your head to the west, she has solutions for that. You have to take a consult with her. She will give you, if you're in a situation where now what to do,
Yes.
what do I do now? Okay, I don't know. That's my headboard actually. And when Upaji, that's why I went like, because this is kind of the West, okay, for me. That's my headboard. My head is permanently there only. And the first time when she said it, I said, no wonders. I'm like, I want to do so much with my health. Nothing is going. This is what has been holding me back. She gives you solution for it also.
Yes.
That in mind. She will give you a solution specific for you. So don't worry about that at all.
Yes, because we have space restrictions. Because
Right.
I'm saying according to the Vastu, but we normally don't have particular so much space so that we can shift. So then we keep something which is related to our particular zodiac sign, the ascendant sign, because the ascendant sign indicates about the good health. So we do the astrological remedies and keep small stuff there.
Right. So I wanted to, and in fact, I'm glad Lata came. I'm glad actually that Lata was on. You mentioned this. I remembered it gave me an opportunity to let everybody know that it's not just ye karo. Agar aap nahi kar, I'm sorry. It's not just do this. If it's something that you're unable to do, she's right there to give you another solution for it. So that's how amazing she is. Thank you, Upmaji, and thank you really. So yes, in fact, we have here with us before we take on one more person. We have, I think we have Ravneet here with us. I'm just looking for her. Uh, you know, okay, I don't think she's in, but we do have. All right, I'm unable to look at them right now. Ravneet, Shilpa, if you happen to get on, let us know on the group. All right. Taking on one more person right now. Upaji is Nilima Kolsawala, 22nd March 1973, Bombay, 1:50 a.m.
One second. Yeah, please repeat.
Yes, Nilima Kolsawala, 22nd March
Huh.
1973, Bombay, 1:50 a.m.
1:53 a.m.
150, 150.
Okay, 150.
Yes.
Okay. So for Nilima, chart indicates she's also looking for change in a job. And some patterns are in her life which need to be clear to get more abundance. Situation is good, but patterns are there. So, sorry. Sorry.
No worries,
Yeah.
Upaji.
Some patterns are in her life, like which came on repeating, like some kind of issue whenever she is going to get a good job or some kind of good benefits increment, there might be some kind of situations appear in her life, personal life, which doesn't allow her to take particular that good job. So either she has to leave, or if she is taking that, then she has to tackle that personal issues.
All right. Nilima, hope you heard that. And Upmaji, you have to let me know, how many more we can take on right now, because I will happily keep taking names. And people will also happily take on. I want everybody to know, please, that Upmaji is here with us on the Telegram group. Post the call also. Please remember that. Upmaji, you'll have to give me
Yes.
indication, because I keep going.
Yes, we can take 2-3 more.
Fantastic. And we have Pooja Manglik on 15th September 1994. One second. Pooja, who are you asking for? Because I can see a different name and there is no time. We will come back if I can catch it up again. There is Ankur Priyanka, date of birth 13th October 1981. Time is 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Place is Patna, India.
Okay. Okay. Can we bring?
Yes, I was just going to ask you because I could see it. I said, do you want me to bring her on? We will just do that. Ankur, I've sent you, Ankur Priyanka, sent you the request. Are you here?
Okay.
We'll move.
Ankur is thinking about some changes in life, is about to take some important decisions in the life regarding to finance. And there are some kind of like issues, something related to past life, which are not able to take him the bold steps. Like whenever we are doing job and we are thinking to do the business, or thinking about going in a foreign country, something like that, a very strong changes are indicating in his chart.
Okay. All right. Ankur, I hope you've been able to hear that. Else, I'm sure you will catch it up on the call replay. And I actually just want to remind everybody very quickly, your flash sale offer is going to come to a close very soon. Group sessions is 1,111 rupees only. And the personal sessions is, let me just see that I was going to say just 4,300, but I know there's a different figure there in, which is 4,333. These amounts will double up post the call. Keep that in mind. These amounts are going to double up post the call. It's going to be a fabulous offer even then. Right now, what it is, it will double up. Just do remember that. Upmaji, I'm getting Bharti, taking Bharti Manchanda's name, and her details are 17th May 1965.
17th May
1965. 2336. That's 11:36 p.m. New Delhi.
New Delhi. Okay. In this chart also, some kind of issues related to past life appearing, which is basically Rahu is creating some kind of blockages. That's why these things are appearing. And if there is something like related to purchasing of property, or something related to get the doing the work of some spiritual kind things, these things will be able to done after October 2021. and Rahu remedies should be performed on the daily basis. And Rahu remedy is very simple. Just offer one coconut to Lord Shiva. It's so simple. So remedies, whatever remedies I suggest, these are those kinds of small remedies. And if you are not able to offer a coconut to Lord Shiva, then what you can do, just check the southwest direction of your home, because the southwest direction of your home is ruled by planet Rahu. And if some kind of dosh is there, then whatever remedies we do, like offering coconut or doing some other kind of Rahu remedies, these doshes will not be able to take us benefit. So what I will do in the remedies, I will check your horoscope, as well as I will ask, like, if you are having some kind of pattern. So pattern, ancestral remedy, ancestral issues, or something related to Rahu, we have to check southwest direction. If there is toilet, then that is the Vastu dosh. If you have storeroom, that is again the Vastu dosh. So we will just put something there, because we cannot remove washroom, we cannot remove storeroom. So we will keep something there. Huh? Like that way we will do.
Awesome. Bharti, I hope you were able to hear that. And getting on very quickly, Upmaji, is Asha Deshmukh, which her date of birth is 22nd June 1979, 12:08 p.m. Chennai.
27 June
22nd June, 22.
22.
22nd June 1979.
Huh.
12:08 p.m.
Okay.
Chennai.
Chennai. Okay. So in this chart, like Jupiter Mahadasha is going on. Huh? So particularly few things related to personal life and something related to career. On both the areas, things are going on, issues are going on. So she need to do some remedies related to Jupiter, and Jupiter is abundance. So whatever kind of abundance in life she desire, because she is a very sensitive girl. This is the girl's chart, na?
Asha, yes. Asha Deshmukh.
So, yes. So she is very sensitive and very focused. But right now, she is not able to get whatever things she want in her life. And something related to spiritual things or healings, if she come in those areas, definitely she will prosper.
Lovely. Asha, I hope you heard that. And Opaji, I'm so sorry. And for everybody, I know I was just nodding and smiling because we've actually known of Asha Deshmukh for a while now. And we have seen from here, from a work perspective, that she's actually very focused with her work and she's very good at it. So when you were saying she's very focused and she's very gentle, I was like, yes. I know that as qualities that she has with the work that she does. Yes.
Yes.
Right. Fantastic. Asha, I hope you got to hear that. And with everything that you've heard, if this is something you need to take on for yourself, please do. And getting on Rekha Mittal, 9th of September, 1996 at 2 a.m. Meerut.
Sorry, Neelu, please repeat.
Yes, Rekha Mittal, 9th of September, 1996, 2 a.m. Meerut. सुबह के 2 बजे.
हाँ. Yes. Can we talk to her?
Yes, let me check. Rekha, I hope you're here. Rekha, I don't see you at all on the participant list. Are you still here? Are you here with another number?
9th September 1996, na?
Yes.
Okay. In this case, basically the ascendant sign and moon sign both are same, and some major changes are going to appear in 2021. Something related to career, but these changes will not be easily adapted by her. That's why she need to do some kind of changes in her lifestyle. Then only, because she is a very sensitive girl, as well as short temper also. So basically, this might be given by her mom, not by her own.
Okay. Okay. Well, I hope Rekha, I hope you get that bit on the call replay as well. If you're not here, the flash offer is going to be gone. So I hope you're back soon. Upmaji, I think earlier, I'm not sure if I had taken Pooja's name, Pooja Mangle. I think I might not have, because maybe one or two bits of her information were missing. I'm unmuting her, Upmaji, because Pooja has a thing with the eyes, so she sometimes has a difficult time typing. So I'm getting her on, and she can give you her details.
Sure.
Pooja, hi.
Hi.
Hey, Pooja.
Hi, Upmaji. Hello.
Hello.
I want to know about my son.
Okay.
His date of birth is 15th September 94, 3:10 a.m.
Okay.
He was born in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, 3:10 a.m.
Yes. So, some changes in career he is expecting. He's looking
Yeah.
for some changes in career, change
Yeah.
of job kind of.
Not change. He just wants to start with something. Basically, he lacks focus and motivation. He has not done anything in life till now.
Yes. Basically, there is ancestral kind of issue in the chart. Right now, he's going through Rahu Mahadasha and the last phase of Sadesati. That's why he's lacking confidence and not able to start anything. Please ask him to start any new thing from February 21. Right now, he can just start like doing the planning work, but taking the actions should be done from February 21, and do the remedies of Rahu. Basically, his Rahu is not allowing him to do anything.
Okay.
And yes.
Nariyal to Shivji that
Yes,
you told for us.
Yes, Nariyal to Shivji.
On which day?
Once in a month on Saturday.
Okay, on Saturday.
Yes.
Okay.
And one more thing can be done. Taking the turmeric powder and apply turmeric powder on the forehead and on both earlobes.
Okay.
That will help him to take the right decision, because he is unable to take right decisions too.
Okay. Thank you, Upmaji. That was much help. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Neelu, for taking my name.
Not at all, Pooja. Thank you for coming on. Thank you. Upmaji, there's a question that's come in. You know, earlier that you had mentioned about the West. Radha has written and asking, Upmaji, sit in the West means back to West or facing West face-wise?
It is not keeping the back or facing west. It is like if you make a square or rectangle shape of your home, then you divide it in a 9 parts, and particular the west direction, whatever room is coming there, do not go and sit in that particular direction. Zone, basically zone.
So basically, Upmaji, if this is your room and the west is say here, don't sit here with all of this.
Yes.
Or here and here.
Yes.
Correct?
Correct.
Okay. Radha, I hope that answers the question for you. There's another question. People, in fact, if you have questions, please do type them in. We are coming to the close of this call, and Upmaji is here. She will be interacting with you on the Telegram group. And for some reason, I was cracking a joke about all Mumbai. There's conversation that's happened on the group saying "yahan se lo, wahan se lo." Don't worry, Upmaji is going to have a look at all your questions. Upmaji, Tejashree is also written in asking, is there an option to upgrade? Like if we pick package 1, then feel like taking second? Actually, yes, Tejashree, on the call. Because the packages are two completely different packages, right? There's a group and there's personal. If you've already taken, for example, the group flash sale, and now you say, no, I want to do personal. You want to upgrade, just get in touch with us. We'll let you know what is the balance that needs to be paid. Post the call, the upgrade can happen, but will happen on the offer amount post the call. Okay, and it means that you will not get the group. You want to do both separately, that's completely your choice. Have I gotten that correct, Upmaji?
Yes.
Okay, superb. Are there any more questions that can come in? And since unknowingly I seem to have sparked off a conversation on between Mumbai and Delhi, so I'm taking on Vaishali Jain, who's born in Rajasthan. Okay.
Okay.
All right, all jokes aside, people, okay, don't take this bit seriously. Vaishali K. Jain, 26th September 1978, Rajasthan, Pali.
Pali.
Bracket, Pali, okay. Midnight 1:20 a.m. Vaishali, midnight is 12 a.m. So is it 12 a.m. or 1:20 a.m.? I'm guessing is her birthday. It's so sweet. And we're going to be taking one more person on after this. I have no idea who it's going to be. I'm literally going to shut my eyes and just like put my finger on the phone, literally.
Okay. So Vaishali is thinking about purchasing property.
Should I see if she's Vaishali? I'm unable to see her here. I don't know if she's logged on with another number or you know, sometimes
It's okay.
phone IDs and I'm unable to see them here.
It's
So
okay. Her chart indicates like if she's thinking about purchasing a property or renovating the home, she will be able to do in the year 2021. The another thing, if thinking about doing something related to business, that is also helpful for her. So both these areas she will be able to improve, and she needs to do some remedies related to Pitradosh, ancestral issues, because somewhere some patterns or something from father or grandfather she has picked, which is not letting her to move ahead in her life.
all right. Hope you're here, Vishali. I hope you've heard that. That seems like very important information for you to know. Upmaji, there's a question. Pooja has asked, can we do the remedies for someone else? Will they be equally effective? Will the remedies in the offer be easily doable? 100% easily doable. This, before Upmaji can say anything, I am telling you, yes, Upmaji.
Yes, remedies are doable, but when you are doing on the behalf of others, those will be effective for 50%, because
Right.
when one person do by themselves, it is 100% effective. But yes, like for
Yes.
children cannot do by their own. So at least, because in blood relations we can do, and like if mother is doing for the children, 50 to 80% there will be effectiveness.
Fantastic. All right. And okay, this is like I'm just gonna shut my eyes and put my finger down. We are coming to a Opaji, completely in your hands. Aap jaise bole.
Okay, I want to tell few remedies in this also. Like if you wish to purchase a property, Like yesterday itself, I tell you, one of
Wait,
my
I'm sorry,
client,
Maji, are you giving us general tips right now?
yes, general tips.
Okay. Pen and paper.
Yesterday, one of my client who is having the money in hand wished to purchasing the property but not able to get it. He just called me and I said, take 4 cardamom, 1 pinch of turmeric powder, 1 pinch of sugar, and 4 cloves. Put all these things in a white paper or white tissue or in a white cloth, or you don't have all this, just take a plastic pouch. Just to say, the particular home, whatever I desire, comes to me by its own. Then he went to the broker. The very first home he saw, he and his wife both loved it and they just immediately gave the money to the landlord and booked it.
Oh, amazing. And all it was cardamom, which is elaichi, turmeric, which is haldi, sugar, did you mention?
Yes,
Chini, and there was one more thing.
clove, long.
Cloves, long.
Yes, because in one only in a one time they are able to get it because they are my client from the last 12 years. So they are
Wow.
already doing the remedies. So that's why I know what is just a thing I have to do for them.
Right.
Huh? And
Right.
if you are new, then you have to take for a longer time because I
Right.
don't know how you had cleaned up your all the blockages. So, like for property, Mars is a basically should be good planet because Mars is a Bhumiputra, the son of the Mother Earth. So, when Mars is in a good state, Venus, which gives the very good source of earnings, because if you are investing in the home, you need good money. So Venus should be good. Then the third thing is particular that Mahadasha Antardasha, because any event which takes in our life is governed by Mahadasha and Antardasha. When you just combine all those things, whatever you desire, you will get it. So I do all these things, make in a one alignment.
Fantastic. So, in fact, this particular solution was specific for him, or is it a general?
It is general. It is
Property.
general.
Oh, fantastic.
Whenever you are looking for a property, you
Right.
wish to have a property, just make this pouch, keep it in your wallet or in your bag, and just say, whatever home we desire, that particular home is coming to me.
Oh,
That home is selecting us, and just keep
lovely.
it till the time you get your home.
Oh,
Don't throw it.
amazing.
So you can keep it for 1 month, 2 months, and I think more about in these 2 months you will be able to get.
Fantastic. How amazing is that? And Upmaji, if you're giving us any more of these amazing tips, please do, because I also, and I cannot wait for this. In excitement, I can't
Yes.
do it, but
One,
it's
one
because
more
I
remedy.
know
One more
Upmaji,
remedy I am going to give you. Like whenever we are in an indecisive state, we are standing on a crossroads when we are having 2 or 3 options and we are unable to think which one is favorable for us, because every decision has its own pros and cons. So just take a square piece. Are you able to see this?
yes.
This is a silver square piece. Just
Okay.
take a silver square piece in your hand and just just observe whatever the options you have. Then you will get by your own what is your answer within 2-3 days or even in 24 hours. Your own inner voice will answer.
Fantastic. So if you're stuck with a decision, basically, if there's any kind of decision making that you need to do, and there are all these options and you don't know what to choose, square piece of silver, focus on it, give it all the options, and the solution will come like from a space of inner guidance itself. Oh,
Yes, and if you do not
fantastic.
have silver square piece at home, then just take 1 spoon of raw rice in your hand Keep it in
Okay.
your hand because you have to go to the jewelry shop, make it. It will take time. So
Right.
you don't need to do all these things. Just go in your kitchen, take 1 spoon rice in your left hand, cover it with the right palm, and do this. And
Okay.
after doing this, keep it for you till you are till you reach at the decision.
The
When you
decision.
reach at
Okay.
your decision, throw this in the soil or offer to birds.
Okay. In fact, Upmaji, I'm just asking, you said square piece of silver, round piece of silver,
No, not round piece.
because you'll keep going in circles otherwise.
Yes, it will
Right?
keep you
Okay.
moving.
Okay. All right. All right. So it's important that it's square. Okay. Understood.
It should be square.
Okay. So people, you've just received two amazing tips. One is for property, one is for decision making. And that's not all. Apart from the super awesome flash sale reminder, group sessions 1,111 rupees only, personalized 4,333 only. Apart from that, Upmaji has a very, very lovely gift for all of us. It's going to be shared on the group. It'll be in your call replay. Upmaji, please tell everybody a little bit about what the gift is all about.
Okay. The gift which I am going to give you is like in few days, Diwali is about to come. So Diwali is a particular day when we do the worship of Ma Lakshmi. So, okay. So what you have to do, you have to collect the particular stuff which I had mentioned in that PDF, and that is based on your moon sign. If you know what is your moon sign, you can select that particular stuff related to that, like for Aries, Taurus, or any moon sign. And if you do not know about your moon sign, you do not know anything about your birth details, then you can go for a common one. So either you can take common one or you can go according to your moon sign. I had mentioned very little things there, like you need to take one pouch, you need to take some spices, like here I used cardamom, cloves. So there are also in other in 12 different zodiac signs, some kind of spices or some kind of essential oil or some little kind of these things, raw rice or grains are mentioned there. Whatever things you are able to find out, you can take them. If you are unable to find out any stuff, you can just take from the common one. Like if you are having one stuff from your zodiac sign, but you have all the stuff from the common one, so you can collect the common one and the particular one stuff from your particular zodiac sign. Keep it in the particular pouch, whatever is the zodiac sign according to that, and keep it near the feet of goddess Lakshmi. You have to chant one mantra, Shrim, because Shrim is the Bij mantra of, Bij means seed mantra of goddess Lakshmi. And you have to chant this Shrim mantra for 108 times. And after that, your personal wealth luck charm is ready. You can keep it
Fantastic.
for 1 year or lifelong.
Awesome. And where can we keep it? In our wallets, in our money
Yes.
box?
Yes, in a wallet, in a money box, on your working table, you can keep it. And
Lovely.
like spices can rotten after some time. So after 6 months or 8 months, you can just throw the old one in the soil and replace it with the new one.
Okay. And follow the same process, like maybe on Lakshmi Ma's day, like on a Friday, do it again and chant the stream and put it in, or just replace?
Just replace will be enough. But if you
Okay.
are able to do on Friday or on full moon or any other important festival day, that will
Right.
be very good.
Oh, fantastic. In fact, Upaji, there's a quick question that's in from Ranjali. You know, the prosperity tip that you gave with the cardamom and clove and sugar and haldi and the turmeric. Is there any number? How many cardamoms, how many cloves? That
Four.
four
Four.
cardamoms, four cloves.
4 cardamom, 4 cloves,
Right.
1 pinch of turmeric powder, and
One
1
pinch.
pinch of sugar.
1 pinch of sugar. Okay.
And this is for particularly for property luck.
For property luck. Right. Fantastic.
Property luck.
Cardamom, 4 clove, pinch of sugar, pinch of turmeric.
Turmeric.
Sorted. Do we have any more questions for Upma ji? Here, the PDF of your personal wealth luck charm has already been posted on the group. You will get it in your call replay. Remember, if you don't know your moon sign, there is a there's a general one that is available for you. It's at the end of the entire list that's on the PDF. Just repeating, as Upma ji has said, for your own moon sign, if there is a particular item that's missing, it's absolutely fine. If you have only one, take all the common ones, put that one in. Upma ji, for your personal moon sign, if there are 3, 4, and only one is missing, then I can just go ahead with the 3?
Yes, you can.
Okay, super. Fantastic. All right.
One more remedy.
Yes, Upma ji.
One more remedy I am going to tell you, because
Yes.
in the starting I said today I am going to give everyone remedies for prosperity. So this
Right.
particular remedy is for unlocking all your blockages, clearing your all kind of, whether it is ancestral blockage, your own views, your parents, anyone's. So what you have to do, you have to just go to the shopkeeper who sells lock.
Lock.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
You have to purchase small locks in the number of 6. So 6 locks with their keys you have to purchase. You don't need to just check it whether they are opening or not. So don't allow the shopkeeper also to show you the lock, it is operating or not. You have to ask him, just give me the lock, and he will give you the lock attached with the keys. You need to just purchase it in the quantity of 6. Starting from the Saturday, in the evening after sunset, you have to do. Just take a lock and go and just leave that lock. If you are able to leave that lock at the 4 crossroads, Choraha, 4 crossroads, if you are able to throw it there, you can drop it there. Otherwise, you can drop it at any place wherever there are 2 roads, either 2 roads or 4 roads. Just do for 6 Saturdays, 1 lock on each Saturday evening. And within these 6 Saturdays, I'm 100% sure something positive you will receive about with whatever thing you are looking for.
Amazing. And throw it in its locked position.
Yes, in its locked position.
And what about the key?
That also with that particular lock, because what
Okay.
we are doing, we are just giving the lock and key to any unknown person. Whenever we are dropping that, someone will pick it. As soon as that person will unlock it, all the blockages will get clear.
Amazing. What if it's not picked up? Because this question will come up, so I'm asking Upma ji, what if it's not picked up and somebody doesn't unlock it? What if?
We are doing for 6 Saturdays.
Right.
So for the first or second, someone will not pick it. On the third or fourth, someone will pick.
Right.
Because we are putting it at a place where 2 roads or 4 roads are there. So someone will pick definitely, because anyone who is brooming, anyone who is passing from there, so someone will pick it.
Right.
Keep faith.
Interesting, very interesting. And there's a quick question, Upma ji, where Vinita ji's asked, the property tip that you gave of the cardamom, clove, etc. Will it work for getting back disputed property also?
Yes, for any kind of property issues.
Okay. All right. And all you have to say is exactly how you said it. That's all you have to repeat again.
Like for disputed, you can just say the particular dispute is over and we are getting back our property.
Right. Oh, sorry, I almost missed this question. Upmaji, Pooja is asking, will the personalized session, the personalized session offer package, be only for money issues or can it be for health and relationship also?
For any one issue.
Okay. All right. Any one issue.
Any one issue. If you are
Right.
taking for health, then it should be for health only.
Okay. Okay. Fantastic. And payments have started coming in. There's a question. Upmaji, Alka has asked, is this according to Hindu zodiac or Western? The signs that you've given, we are supposed to follow the moon sign per the
Hindu zodiac.
right?
Hindu zodiac, it is based on our wherever our moon is placed in the birth chart.
Right.
Because Western is the sun sign according
Yes.
to date of birth.
Right. Right. And by the way, in case you don't know it, take your consult with Upaji, you'll know your moon sign also.
Yes.
Okay. And okay, this is Tejashi's asked, the PDF mentions some essential oils. Can they be replaced with actual herbs? For example, cinnamon stick instead of cinnamon oil.
Yes, it can be.
It can be. All right. Vinita ji, I have taken care of that question. Ranjali is asking where to discard after 1 year. I think
Yes.
asking about the wealth luck charm.
Yes.
Your,
Anything, whatever we want to discard, we can
Right.
just bury in the soil or
Okay.
throw in the river.
okay.
Bury in the soil is quite easy.
All right. Rachna, is that a question or a statement? I'm not very sure. Please let me know and we can ask Upmaji accordingly. Alka wants to know from, Alka saying, I would like to know from Upmaji for curing stress of maids, backbiting at work, back answering and bickering, instigating others, etc. Alka, you know what you have to do, no? You have to take out the And Alka is here. She also wants to give a testimonial for your reading. Is Alka one of your clients, Upmaji?
Yes.
Okay, you know what? We're
The last Women Tele Summit,
yes.
she took the package.
Okay, and I'm sorry, Alka, I'm unable to see you on the participant list. And we're on here. There is a question saying when to buy the locks. Before the Saturday that you decide to begin this, correct, Upmaji?
Yes, correct. Exactly.
There's no day to buy it, but when you begin it on a Saturday, correct?
Correct.
Okay, fantastic.
Avoiding Saturday, any day you can purchase.
Okay. Okay, Rachna, I was actually referring to it can be dropped in a box packing itself or key put in the lock. Rachna, I've actually already asked this. In the box that you bought the lock with the key, you just leave that or you take it out and leave it.
Basically, it would be good if you leave with the box.
Correct.
If you want to avoid if you want to remove the box, you can just take out the lock and key and place it. Don't open it. That is the main thing.
Right. All right. Alka, I'm unable to see you on the participant list. If you have a different spelling, if you've logged on with, okay, there you are. Alka is here. Let's hear from Alka about her experience with Upmaji. And after that, we're going to give you a quick reminder about the flash amount because it's going to be gone just like that. Alka, I've asked to unmute you.
Hi, Neelu. Namaste, Upmaji.
Namaste.
Double L. I was looking for
Nice.
single.
Okay. Nice to see you again, Upmaji. And Neelu, your beautiful face. I love your smile. So cute. I feel like pulling your cheek.
My entire childhood is gone like that. Please don't.
Okay. I had this through Women's Tele Summit. I had taken a package with Upmaji for 3 of us, and I had a reading done for myself, my daughter, and my son reading is still pending. But I must say, her reading is so accurate, so good, and her remedies are so simple and sorted that one doesn't feel कि कुछ भारी काम है, कि you don't feel कि oh I have to do this and whether I can or not. And Upmaji is aware I had a very personal issue which Upmaji has got solved. I'll connect with you later regarding that. But I really love it. I mean, I'm very, very comfortable and very sorted sitting and speaking to her and, taking her reading. Thank you, Upmaji, and thank you, Neelu, for this beautiful platform where we get to meet so many healers. I'm very, very grateful to you all.
Thank you, Alka
You're
ji.
welcome. And on behalf of the team, that thank you is coming to you from the entire team, Nidhu, Amrish, Ruchira, Shilpa, Misbah. Thank you so much for saying that. Thank you.
Thanks, Ucham.
Awesome. All right. And we're going to give everybody a quick recap on the flash sale. Like I said, it's going to be gone before you know it, just like that. So bringing that up on and asking the team if we can have this on. And while we get this on, Upmaji,
Yes.
you just reminding everybody, Upmaji will be interacting with you on the Telegram group after the call. We will let you know about it in a quick bit from now. So here it is: Money, Wealth, and Prosperity, the Astro Way. Incredible wealth of knowledge, super fast readings, simple remedies by Upma Srivastava. And this is how it goes. Upmaji,
Yes.
like to take this?
So the first option where I am going to give group remedies, that is for 11 days for your prosperity, and one remedy will be given on the WhatsApp broadcast message in the morning 6 to 6:30 a.m., which you can do according to your time zone and according to your convenience. This group remedy will start from 2nd November 2020. That is the particular day when Sarvar Siddhi Yog, the very auspicious Raj Yog, is on that particular day. And right now you can take this offer in the rupees 1111 at the 90% off. After that, it is USD $18. And the usual price for this is rupees 12,000, which is $188.
And remember, after the call in a few seconds from now, it's going to double up.
Yes.
1,111 will straight away become 2,111. $18 will become $34.
Dollars.
Awesome.
Just after the call end.
Yes, after the call ends.
So you have to take the decision right now. Just
Absolutely.
check where your Mercury is.
Yes. This is the group remedies option. You do have the option for your own personalized remedies, Upmaji.
Yes. So the second option, which is personalized remedy, where we will discuss what the issue right now you are going through and how we should deal with it. There might be some thoughts, there might be some issues related to ancestors, there might be something like legal issues or some other issues. So all those will be taken care of. Wherever country you are, whatever you are convenient to do, I will customize the remedies according to your choice. So the first thing will be 40 minutes personal session to understand the core of the subject. Then I will send one remedy daily for 21 days. And as soon as we start our this personalized session. After 10 days, there will be the 15 minutes follow-up session. And again, I will start giving remedies, and every remedy will be customized according to your birth chart. Right now, it is for rupees 4,333, which is USD 68. And the usual price is rupees 31,000, which is USD 486. And just after this call, this amount will become just a double, rupees 8,111, and the dollar 128. Just grab it.
Absolutely. And just very quickly, Upmaji, in case this in case this is popped up for anybody as a question. In fact, I think Punita has asked it also. People who take both the options, both the offers are completely separate.
Yes.
Take the personalized remedies offer. It's not like you're getting the general also. No. Personalized remedies is not inclusive of the first offer. The two offers are independent of each other. Please keep that in mind. And thank you for that very sweet recap, Upmaji. It was absolutely delightful to see your happy smile and taking everybody through what the package is about and the figures. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब आप ऐसे पूरा smile करके खुल के जब आप बात करते हैं. It feels so good just seeing you talk like this. So thank you for the recap. And Upmaji, there are a bunch of questions coming in here. I need help with my maid. My maid situation is this. My maid situation is that. What would you recommend for them? Group, personal?
For maid situation, I will say personalized will be more effective because maids means servants, and servants are indicated by Saturn. So we need to check how your Saturn is posted in the birth chart. If Saturn is not good in the birth chart, and right now you are going through the Saturn Mahadasha or Sade Sati, then first we need to deal with the Saturn so that you can get the benefits from maid or any servants.
Fascinating. I had no idea about that. So there you go, people. Everybody who's been asking about that, I hope that resolves that query. Please do take up time with Upmaji, because you know what? And I understand completely, Upmaji. I know this is a money call. I'm just going to take a very quick second. I think every woman understands maid stress, and especially when they don't land up, or because it's not like you have a choice. You have to keep doing everything anyway, and the kind of stress that makes you go through mentally, physically, emotionally, it drains you out. A one-time investment of 4,333 is nothing for the kind of ease that you will face after you get this sorted, read about. It's there, whatever's there in your horoscope, and Upmaji gives you your daily tips. So, and trust me, when that stress goes off, your money story is going to change. Because remember, people, everything is interconnected, correct? So take it out, right, Upmaji?
Right. So Nilu, like there is the maid or servants related issue. So
Right.
I said Saturn indicates that, and Saturn is restrictions or blockage. So in the areas of life, somewhere some blockages might be there. Something related to, you can say, at the peace and harmony, or something related to legal issues or health. Whenever we are having some issues in these areas of life, servants or maids they will not do, we won't have services from them. There will be one or the some issue from them.
Right.
Like I will say, my neighbor, she has two servants. One is for whole day, she is good, but the other one is a cook. She comes, cook the food and go away, and cook along with Saturn, because it is food. someone who is preparing food for you, nourishing you. So your moon as well as your Venus should also be good. So she has taken consultation from me just only for Saturn. How can I tackle with the Saturn? Because she know I do this. So I gave her the remedies of Saturn. So her the on the full day made is good, but because she has not taken proper consultation, so the cook who is coming, she just keeps. Sometimes she comes in the early morning, sometimes afternoon, sometimes skipping the day or not coming in the morning. Then I said, just do some remedies of the moon and Venus also. So whatever I'm saying here, it is just a hint.
Right.
I have to dig into your particular what issue you are going through. So
Right.
nothing is related to only one planet. There is the combination of planets. We
Correct.
work in a home or in a office, wherever we are working with others also, team members. So this is the team of planets. So work on team.
Right. Right. Fabulous. Fabulous. In fact, Upmaji, one last question before we wind up. In the personal remedy situation, would you be sharing the horoscope with the people on the call, or you'll be like, I remember, you screen share it on Zoom if we're talking to you. A written chart does not come. I know that's a different price altogether. It's a different thing altogether. Correct?
Correct. I'm not going to share any chart or any written form. Like I'm sharing the remedies here, but I'm not going to give any birth chart, because
Right.
there are any software you can take printout from anyone.
Right. And but you'll be letting them know, okay, this planet is
Yes.
there,
Yes, that
this is
I'm
going on, and this is your remedy.
yes,
Right.
that I'm going to tell.
Right. Right. Fantastic. All right. And this is, Ravneet is here. Shall we just listen in from her, and then we'll say we will wish everybody goodbye, and we're giving everybody that time longer. Make sure you've grabbed your offer, because I can still see people putting their payments in. I am getting Ravneet on. Ravneet, the request has been sent to you.
Thank you, I got it. Sorry I'm late. Just had some shows.
Hi,
No,
Ravneet.
Hi, Ma. Hello, everyone. I just want to share my experience with this course. It has been really, really helpful, especially in terms of my career. So that was my only thing that I wanted to do. Just wanted to progress further in my career. And then Ma has been really helpful in terms of guiding me. And it was a personalized 21-day course that I did. Has been really helpful. I have moved on to a new role that I wanted, and as well as my organization is also paying for my studies, which is again something that I wished for. So I just couldn't help her enough. Like really, really thankful to her for guiding me all throughout the way. Like I think I've been with her. It's been over 15 years now. So very, very happy. She's always been there. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ravneet.
No problem.
Lots of
Thank
gratitude.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ravneet. I'm glad she was able to come on. So, ladies and gentlemen, you've just heard from somebody who's actually done the full 21-day personalized thing with her, and she has had a turnaround with the job as she wanted. And she has been working with Upmaji for 15 years now. Because that's the kind of loyalty she actually inspires, this lovely lady sitting here. Once you're with her, you're going to keep wanting to go back.
Yes.
Upmaji, it was once again with a call with you, even though the topic is so serious. It's astrology, it's a science. There's like 9 planets, and there's a system, and the sun and the moon and the stars, and oh my God, what am I going to do? What if this is wrong? Nothing. It's beautifully simple, a call with you. It's so light. So many people get an opportunity to get to know something about their lives, even if it is just like an overview. This time you got solutions for them ready in an awesome
Yes.
offer. Group sessions, 1,111 rupees. Personalized, 4,333 rupees. Many, many thanks to you, Upmaji.
Thank you.
And before we close, would you like to leave everybody with any last few words?
Just to say, do the remedies with religious attitude. Just keep faith in those remedies, and definitely some positive events will change in your life. Sometimes what happens when you start doing remedies, you will see nothing is going to change, nothing is changing in my life. So you have a disbelief like remedies are not working. Remedies are working, but like there is an ancestral issue. So ancestral issue is not going to clear in just 21 days or 1 month. You have to keep doing some remedies for lifelong. So I will say like that is a very little thing. Like uh, you can see I had kept the green color in my finger. So like putting a green dot on your finger or wearing some kind of color, some color, or just keeping something like keeping a silver square piece with you. It is so simple, you can keep it for lifelong. So just keeping those things will clear your issues. So just believe in the remedies, because remedies are the things which changes our mind. And when our mind is completely changed, so I'm not basically talking about particular mind, I'm talking about the moon, which is our subconscious mind. Because with conscious mind we are able to just take the decisions which appear in front of us. But with subconscious mind, the decisions or anything which we do, it is like those kind of guidance which are divine. So believe in the remedies. Remedies change our life properly, but you have to do them. And my remedies are very simple. And still, if you are unable to do, you can just drop a message. I will send you another remedy. You can choose another one.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Upmaji. And
Thank you.
a very gentle reminder to everybody, tomorrow is our last call for this season. So we will see you one last time on this, the Mystic Lotus Awesome Money Tele Summit, tomorrow at 11:33. Thank you, Upmaji, for an amazing call. And thank you for that, for this last message that you've given to us to make sure that we do it with faith and with good intent of taking this through.
Yes.
And for what is going to be the last time this season, I'm going to say Jai Mata Di.
Jai Mata Di.
Bye bye.
Bye. Take care. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.